Cravings with Carlos. Introducing Carlos. I know, goofy, whatever. But on my channel, I'll be teaching you how to cook things that you've tasted at restaurants and always wondered what the recipes were. I make my own hacks. I'll be air frying, deep frying, grilling, doing seafood boils, smoking, etc. Anything that you can think of that's cooking, I'll basically be doing it. I'll be teaching you some shortcuts, teaching you some new ways to make different foods that you've wondered about. I'll teach you how to make party foods, Super Bowl foods, food for your church, whatever you need. I like to cook a lot. So stay tuned to my channel. Please subscribe and hit that thumbs up and give me a few comments in the bottom and tell me of things that you would like to taste. Thanks. Carlos out.